Interactive Advisors Pricing explained what you get for your money. Interactive Advisors is a digital investment platform that simplifies portfolio management for both new and experienced investors. Most people assume advisory apps come with confusing fees, but Interactive Advisors keeps pricing transparent and straightforward. The platform charges an annual management fee ranging from 0.25% to 0.75%, depending on the account type and services chosen. This fee covers portfolio construction, automated rebalancing, and access to a broad range of IFs and mutual funds. There are no fees for account setup, deposits, or withdrawals, which makes budgeting your investments easier. Interactive Advisors also provides performance tracking dashboards, goal-setting tools, and educational resources included at no extra cost. The surprising truth is that even small investors can access professional-level portfolio management tools without the high costs of traditional advisors. In conclusion, Interactive Advisors pricing is clear, predictable, and packed with value. By understanding the management fee and included services, you can confidently grow your portfolio while benefiting from professional-grade investment tools.